Imagine being stuck in an airport for over an hour, waiting for your delayed flight to finally take off. This is a reality many of us face more often than we'd like. Flight delays are not just a minor inconvenience, they've become an integral part of the modern travel experience. Let's dive into some surprising statistics about flight delays. Did you know that on any given day, around 20% of all flights are delayed? And when a delay happens, it's not just a matter of minutes. The average flight delay lasts over an hour. Yes, you heard it right, over an hour. That's enough time to watch a couple of sitcom episodes, finish a few chapters of a book, or even learn the basics of a new language. And what about those extreme cases? Well, every year, there are thousands of instances where travelers are left waiting for more than 3 hours. That's the length of a football game, a long movie, or a substantial part of your working day. These numbers may sound daunting, but they serve to highlight a reality we often overlook. We tend to view flight delays as lost time, a frustrating waiting game filled with constant clock watching and impatient foot tapping. But what if we told you there's another way to look at it? Instead of seeing this as wasted time, we could see it as an unexpected opportunity, a gift of extra time that we can use to our advantage. Think about it. In our busy lives, finding a spare hour or two can be quite a challenge. But here you are, a captive audience with time to spare. So, what can you do to make the most out of this seemingly wasted time? How can you turn this unwelcome delay into an opportunity for enjoyment, relaxation, or even productivity? Well, the answers may surprise you. Stay tuned to find out. While flight delays may seem frustrating, consider this as an opportunity for some quality me time. Let's shift our perspective and view this delay not as an inconvenience, but as a golden opportunity. It's a chance for you to catch up on those activities you've always wanted to do, but couldn't find the time. You're in the middle of the airport with time to spare. Now, what can you do with it? Have you ever found a book that piqued your interest, but you never had the chance to read? Or perhaps there's a podcast you've been meaning to catch up on. The airport is a perfect place for such pursuits. Many airports even offer book exchange services where you can pick up a book for free. So why not dive into the world of words and let your imagination soar? In this era of digital entertainment, you can also use this time to binge watch your favorite TV shows or movies. All you need is a device and headphones. If you're not into binge watching, how about playing games on your phone or tablet? There are thousands of games available online, from puzzles to strategy games, to suit any taste. And who knows? Maybe this delay is the universe's way of telling you to try something new. Ever thought of sketching the bustling airport scene or penning down your travel experiences? This could be your chance to explore a new hobby. Drawing, writing, knitting, origami. The possibilities are endless. You could also use this time for a bit of self-reflection. How about some mindfulness or meditation? There are numerous apps that can guide you through a quick session. It's a chance to relax, breathe, and center yourself amidst the airport chaos. The key is to shift your mindset and see the delay as a gift rather than a curse. There's a world of possibilities waiting for you to explore. So the next time your flight is delayed, remember this. It's not wasted time, it's found time. Embrace the delay and give yourself the gift of time. Did you know airports have a lot more to offer than just duty-free shopping? Indeed, airports are like mini cities, equipped with amenities to cater to your every need. So why not use this delay as an opportunity to explore what's on offer? Feeling peckish? Airports boast a variety of dining options, from fast food joints to sit-down restaurants offering cuisines from around the world. Treat yourself to a nice meal, and perhaps even sample a dish from your destination country to whet your appetite for the adventures to come. Feeling stressed? Many airports house wellness centers where you can unwind with a relaxing massage or even a quick yoga session. Looking for a quiet spot to relax? Consider accessing one of the airport lounges where you can enjoy some peace and quiet and maybe even catch a quick nap. Remember, a delay could be a perfect excuse to indulge a little. Airports are melting pots of cultures. Why not use this time to engage with fellow travelers? Imagine this. You're stuck at an airport, waiting for an announcement about your delayed flight. Instead of staring at the departure board in frustration, you could be spending this time making new acquaintances, learning about different cultures, or even networking. The airport is a global stage, teeming with people from all walks of life, all with their own stories to tell. Here are some tips on how to strike up a conversation with strangers. Firstly, remember to respect personal space. Not everyone might be in the mood for a chat, and that's okay. Look for signs of openness, a friendly smile, eye contact, or body language that suggests they're open to conversation. Secondly, find common ground. This could be anything from the book they're reading to the destination they're headed to. Complimenting them on something specific is also a good way to break the ice. Remember, the goal is to engage in a friendly conversation, not to intrude. Thirdly, be curious and ask open-ended questions. People generally love to talk about themselves and their experiences. Asking about their travel plans or favorite destinations can open up a world of stories. Lastly, be a good listener. This isn't just about passing the time, it's about connecting with another human being. Show genuine interest in their stories and respond thoughtfully. Engaging with fellow travelers not only helps pass the time during a flight delay, but it also enriches your travel experience. You could learn about a hidden gem in your destination city, get a recommendation for your next book, or even find a new business contact. And remember, everybody loves a good story. So why not share yours too? Talk about your travels, your dreams, your home. You never know who might be listening and what they might share in return. Who knows, you might meet your new best friend or business partner during a flight delay. While you're waiting for your flight, why not start planning your next one? You see, flight delays can be a blessing in disguise, an unexpected gift of time. This could be the perfect opportunity to start researching your next destination. Dive into the culture, the must-see sites, the local delicacies that tantalize the taste buds. Perhaps you could even start booking your accommodation. With a world of options at your fingertips, from quaint bed and breakfasts to luxurious resorts, there's something to fit everyone's travel style. And let's not forget language. Why not learn a few phrases in the language of your next destination? It's a small effort that can make a big difference, enhancing your travel experience and helping you connect with locals. So next time you're faced with a delay, don't despair. Turn your delay into an opportunity to dream about your next adventure. After all, every great journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single delay. Flight delays don't have to be a drag. With these tips, you can turn your wait into a fun and productive experience. Let's do a quick recap. We started off by accepting that flight delays are a reality. Instead of letting them get us down, we can see them as an opportunity for some unplanned me time. You know, those precious moments when you can actually hear your own thoughts and take a breath. Next, we looked at the idea of treating yourself. Airports are not just transit hubs, they are mini cities with a variety of amenities. So why not indulge in a nice meal or snack, or even a quick spa treatment? You deserve it. Then, we dove into the world of hobbies. Whether it's virtual museum tours, online classes, or streaming your favorite show, technology has made it possible to carry a world of entertainment right in your pocket. So go ahead, dive into a new hobby, or catch up on your favorite shows. We also talked about the joy of engaging with fellow travelers. A simple conversation can lead to a shared adventure, a new friend, or even a fresh perspective. So next time, don't hesitate to strike up a conversation with the person next to you. And finally, what better time to plan your next adventure than during a delay? Whether it's catching up on your reading, doing some mindfulness and meditation, or simply daydreaming about your next destination, there's always a way to make the most out of every moment. So next time you find yourself in a delay, remember these tips and make the most out of your wait. But hey, these are just a few ideas. We'd love to hear from you. What do you do to pass the time during flight delays? Share your strategies in the comments section. Safe travels, and don't forget to share your favorite delay pastimes in the comments below.